second plan introduced by Muhammad bin Tughlaq was shift of capital. He thought to shift his capital from Delhi to Devgiri, which was named Daulatabad. He did this for two reasons. First, that he thought it would be easy to control the empire better from Devgiri. And the second reason was Delhi was too near from Mongol attacks. So Daulatabad or Devgiri would be safe from Mongol attacks. Entire population of Delhi, each and every person was ordered to move to Devgiri. People did not want to leave their houses and shops and other things in Delhi, but they had to obey the order. Soon the king realized that it was very difficult from Daulatabad to control northern frontiers. So he ordered to reshift the capital. This made people very angry with the king. Next plan introduced by Muhammad bin Tughlaq was introduction of token currency. Muhammad bin Tughlaq introduced a token currency because there was a shortage of silver within the kingdom. So he ordered to mint the coins of brass and copper. These coins has the same value as silver coins. And these could be exchanged from the royal treasury for silver coins. But the problem arose that the Sultan could not keep a check on illegal minting of coins. The design of the coins were so simple to copy. So what did people do? They started buying brass and copper which were very cheap, and they started minting coins in their houses. Because of this, what happened that there were many fake coins in the kingdom. The kingdom was flooded with the fake coins. Money lost its value, trade suffered because the foreign merchants refused to accept brass and copper coins. So finally, the king had to exchange those fake coins also for silver coins. And finally, the treasury became empty.